2023 Hyundai Palisade key fob. This is how you open it to change the battery. Okay, so there's a button here on the back. We're going to press, hold it down with our thumb. We're going to remove the emergency key. Okay, that releases the emergency key. Now we're going to take this back panel off. And to do that, you're going to need a small flathead screwdriver. And if we look right here on the left side, there's a little slot here. This is the slot for the emergency key. This slot here is to pop this up so you can change the battery. Okay, so you're going to stick your screwdriver in here, give it a twist, okay, and see how it popped this back part up. We didn't have to pry at this at all. Just going to keep pushing on it like that. We can take the back panel off. Okay, you can see how this slot works here. It just pushes the corner of this guy right here. All right, then we can slide the battery out and replace it. Okay, so the size battery is a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. Stick the new battery in here, push it all the way down till it stops. Need a battery? Check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can purchase a brand new battery for like $2. Okay, then you get your back panel, start at the top, push it down, push it all the way down until it locks back on. And you know you got it all together when you get your emergency key. Click it back on and you're all done. Hope the video was quick and straight to the point. If you thought it was, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.